Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be speaking about those two perfumes. Like I will be comparing to you guys these two perfumes. And like I was wearing one of the perfume, that would be this one. Al Dur Al Maknoon Silver. Al Dur Al Maknoon Silver. And we will speak just kind of to touch a little bit each of them and to see like let's say if you are struggling which one to buy, like I would recommend you. Let me tell you guys, they both are leaning towards masculine, but they are considered as unisex perfumes, but like, some people, can get confused there, like, and they can buy for themselves perfume thinking, that it's kind of unisex, but sometimes they just lean towards masculine. Which one leans towards more masculine is actually this one, definitely that one. Which one do I prefer more? This one is NAJDIA by LATTAFA, and that one is DUR AL MAKNOON by LATTAFA as well. I actually prefer this one much more than this one. So if you are, let's say, struggling to buy which one to buy, go with that one. But first of all, I would like to, ask you guys, not to ask you, but to thank you for being here together with me in this video. And let's see how far we can go with this video, guys. I was checking the notes recently, so as far as I can remember, it was saying DUR AL MAKNOON, basically, people say that it's supposed to be dupe for Creed AVENTUS. And guys, it is. It is basically dupe for Creed AVENTUS. There is this letter that actually fell away for me, and the packaging wasn't brilliant because it was kind of very abrasive to me. Very quickly everything fell off, but let me tell you, it's actually very similar. Ooh, where's my letter? Very similar to Creed AVENTUS. It was kind of like this when I got it. Creed AVENTUS, basically, because I had this Vibrant Leather by Zara, and I really like that perfume. And that one is a really strong dupe to Creed AVENTUS. So, because this one reminds me of Vibrant Leather by Zara, that means must be similar to Creed AVENTUS. First time when I got it, actually, I was very disappointed with this, longevity of this perfume, because I felt like the longevity of this perfume, this one, was so poor that actually it really irritated me. It irritated me because, like, the longevity was just fading away within like 2 hours. But I looked, to this DUR AL MAKNOON today. I was wearing it, and actually I felt quite good. I actually kind of, already had lost hope of the longevity about this perfume. But to be honest, today it was just kind of opening up for me in a new light, positive light. So it's similar to Vibrant Leather. I felt kind of women could wear this too, although it's leaning towards masculine, but it's kind of very interesting, So the word, this is silver one. So the smell of this one was actually feeling as if it would be silvery perfume. The silvery, when you say silver, what does that like resembles to you guys? It resembles something that would be kind of cool, airy. So this one has those type of functions. It's not like that type of aquatic freshy. It is freshy, but in a different way. The notes, guys, was pineapple, just like in the Vibrant Leather, was pineapple, and then there was bergamot, and then there was leather somewhere in the base notes, and the rest I don't remember, guys, but it was very similar, there. And I really enjoyed it. I felt kind of, I felt classy and interesting while wearing this perfume. I felt that I'm wearing something a bit unusual. It's not like I'm wearing very expensive thing, It felt kind of unusualness, in this particular perfume. Let's spray it on again. Let's spray it on. The price was cheap, was very, very cheap, was very similar to Anabiath Rouge, So when I first got it, I was doing video and I was shaking this bottle so much, and that probably made this letter fall off, So everything fell away, but we still have a perfume in it. We still have liquid in it. So, ooh, I can feel the beauty in this perfume. So, okay. So this perfume is very good. If someone would ask me, could you recommend me, which is very often happens, could you recommend me, guys, perfume, nice freshy for man? Probably that would be the one, if I would compare, I wouldn't recommend you that one. It's nice freshy, but this one is actually better, even though longevity is not as brilliant, as you would expect, but actually is better. Let me tell you about this perfume right now. NAJDIA is the perfume. So when I opened it, I saw this bottle. I thought this bottle actually will be the same as, this perfume, but actually it was representing another perfume. It's actually Lyle Maleki body perfume. It's actually great because I'm very happy to try something new, and I tried it. It actually was interesting. I need to do a review about this perfume. One day I thought it's interesting, but the other day I thought, guys, that maybe, it's not as interesting, so I need to kind of to wear that perfume. Look at this one right now. NAJDIA, guys. NAJDIA by LATTAFA. It's supposed to be due for Invictus. Invictus perfume. So it's very popular perfume, guys. Invictus perfume. It's based. Oops, see, everything is falling. It's basically, this perfume is for man, guys. For man, that Invictus. So, and LATTAFA doesn't. These caps just are falling away. So, and the LATTAFA doesn't say what is the, basically, is this for unisex? That's what they say. Of course, it's easy to say for them unisex, but then when people buy it, if lady would buy this perfume, it would just simply mean that they would find it a bit masculine. I was wearing this perfume, I think, either yesterday, or someday, and I did felt, it's for man, but no, it wasn't very heavy. So for that reason, I was able, guys, to wear it, even though it's for man. But which one I would choose? As I said before, I would choose this one, this particular one. I would choose Al Dur Al Maknoon. I like the name. If somebody would ask you, what are you wearing? And then I would say Al Dur Al Maknoon, as if they would know what it is. I don't know what it is. So, this perfume, I was feeling this aquatic, it was really reminding me of those type of typical man perfume, let's say Mugler Mirage, or Polo Red, or Polo, not Polo Blue, but maybe Polo, the type of sport red, That one was reminding me. And those type of typical man freshies with some kind of slight spiciness. In the notes, I remember there was lemongrass, apple, and I remember cinnamon as well, which actually sometimes you could feel that type of warmer notes coming through. Freshy, Invictus, so if you want like a very economic freshie, you can give it a go. But guys, I don't think this perfume will surprise you in any way, unless if you would like something, something super, super simple, and something, if you're looking, let's say, in the LATTAFA brand there, and you are wondering which one smells like for man, which one. So this one will smell like for man, because some of them, like let's say Anna Biet Rouge, maybe it's a bit slightly too sweet for man, as usual. So for that reason, you always need to figure it out, guys, what it smells like. So this one is a freshie, but as I said before, this one, guys, this one is a better freshie because of that type of Creed Aventus vibe, which everybody is raving so much, and probably I'm raving too because I like vibrant leather. I like vibrant leather. Did I told you already how did it felt? Basically, it felt airy, it felt, I think I already told you guys, but anyway, it felt airy, it felt super, super nice, guys. I felt kind of as if, cheap quality cap. There was also there is birch in this perfume as well, the note. It felt also as if there's some kind of like a bitter note. I don't know what it is. That note, I wasn't in particular liking it. Like, for example, if you smell vibrant leather, guys, there is no bitter note. I haven't seen any bitter note there, but this one has something in the dry down there. So the longevity could be between if you, after 1 hour, it's kind of starts to fading away, but you would still feel it. You would still feel it. I like this perfume, guys. Didn't expect that, I will tell you, from the first go when I tried it, but I like this perfume. So if, it's kind of like it's not ambery, this perfume. It's not sweet. It's kind of silvery, kind of like a silver steel, that type of perfume, like a cool, airy, Imagine in winter walking with this perfume, in winter. So basically, you would walk, as if like walking on the snow, this type of on the snow, this type of cool, airy, breezy type of perfume, but a bit unusual. It's not like not aquatic. It's something else out there, There is leather, I don't know, like it's leather there, it says like. So the price, I don't know, like guys, £13 or something, or £14. It depends on the website there, what you buy. So do I recommend you guys this one? Yes, I do. Yes, I do, guys. If you are a man, don't be afraid of those two perfumes. They will not smell feminine. They will smell masculine. There is no sweetness too much in it, It's kind of either aquatic or breezy perfumes, So these are perfume for men, although they say unisex. If you are a woman, try this one. Try them out, You will not smell like a super duper feminine, but you will smell like a classy, and you will smell unusual, airy. You would smell like some kind of like a boss, but not wearing perfume that is spicy, but wearing perfume that is breezy and like a silver steel type of vibe, So kind of like a axe type of steel, that is kind of penetrating the environment there. Like, you will need to respray this perfume, DUR Al MAKNOON. You will definitely need to respray it. And if you end up buying this one, you will probably decide that you like this perfume, but maybe it doesn't surprise you too much, as usual. It happens. So guys, I will leave you at that. I will, guys, continue my day with this perfume, because that's the winner of the day perfume for me. And tomorrow will be another day, and we will wear, guys, another perfume of our choice. There are lots of choice. Look at the silvery bottle. It's kind of like a stone, like as if it would be stone in the water. The type of shine over there. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll be back to you soon, and have a great day. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.